Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So, fam, today I'm going to be showing you the secret to my Chinese fried rice. Just stay tuned and watch as we cook together. So, fam, the first thing we want to do in this recipe is to prepare our spices. So, go ahead and chop your spices however you want them to be. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, where we teach you how to cook delicious meals from scratch. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a video, you're going to be the first to know. And to my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you. You know I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking the video, sharing, and equally trying out our wonderful and amazing recipes. And so fam, right away we're gonna go ahead to marinate our shrimp. Usually shrimp doesn't really need a lot of ingredients, so I'm gonna be putting some cayenne pepper and just some seasoning cubes and salt. Make sure you're putting on some gloves while mixing because you don't want the cayenne pepper to be hot on you. So we're gonna go straight away to prepping our eggs. The eggs we're going to be using in our fried rice is totally optional. If you want, you could take it out, but I always like putting eggs in my Chinese fried rice. So we're going to scramble the egg, just season it with whatever seasoning you have: white pepper, black pepper, salt, and seasoning cube, and then we're going to go ahead to scramble it. And if you're on the spicy side, go ahead and add some cayenne pepper to your eggs. You want to beat your eggs real good, because one thing I learned while I was growing up was that when you beat your eggs a lot until it starts foaming, it's a guarantee that your egg is going to kind of be thick and fluffy. So you want to try that trick. We all know that one thing about cooking is the cleaning afterwards, and at this point I'm not going to stress you up to have to use different pans to do your scrambled egg, to do your shrimp, or to even do your rice. We're going to use the same pan. As the egg is getting ready, you want to go ahead and start stirring that gently so that it scrambles as it cooks. You can scramble your egg however you want it. If you like tiny bits, that's fine. If you want to make the pieces bigger, that's still okay. So we're going to move right away to our shrimp. So take out your egg and then just prep your pan for the shrimp. We're going to be cooking our shrimp for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once both sides get pink, you know it's ready. Take out your shrimp and set them aside. Now we're gonna go to cooking our rice proper. So what you want to do is to sprinkle a generous amount of olive oil in your pot, and then go ahead and put your garlic, your onions, and your green spices. As the onions are getting ready, what you want to add right now is your carrots, bell pepper, a blend of ginger, garlic, green spices. We're also going to add some cayenne pepper, some salt, and also some seasoning cube. So fam, one thing you have to know about this recipe is that the rice we're going to be using is leftover rice. Leftover rice that has been frozen, okay? So you want to freeze that overnight or hours before, and then take that out, let it defroze, and then you can put it in your pot. It helps the rice not to become mushy. Gently add the rice until the quantity you want is enough, and then we're going to go ahead and add some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. The next thing we're going to be adding is our sweet corn and our peas, which are totally optional. If you don't have them, don't go stress yourself. That's still fine. Your fried rice will still come out so perfect. So just add that and then give that a stir. At this point, fam, we're going to be adding our scrambled eggs. We're also going to be adding our chopped leeks and our shrimp, And our rice is almost ready. And there we go, fam. Our fried rice is ready. Go ahead and give yourself a treat as usual. Thank you so much, family, for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.